Hello, thank you, and welcome back to Debbie's Homemade. Today I am making some soup because it's Tuesday. I'm Jamaican and that's what we do. And I'm pretty sure it's going to be raining pretty soon. And I may be in Florida, but summer is officially over, so yay. Anyway, I'm going to be making some red pea soup. Yay! So I have this larger size pot over here. In this pot, I'm going to start off with, I have a little bit of, maybe about a cup, maybe a little less than a cup of pumpkin that I've chopped up. Let's get this started in this pot over here. Then I have about a pound of oxtail that I've washed. Let's get that in here. Okay, this is gonna be so good. This is one of my favorite. Plus this evening, later on this evening, when I'm ready to resort to my room, it's gonna be cold whether it rains or not, so I'm good. I have about a cup and a half of red pea soup. Put in this larger pot here. Yeah. Then guys, this smaller pot here, I hope you can see, this smaller pot here, what I'm going to be putting in this smaller pot here, I have about a pound, maybe a little less than a pound. This is salted pigtail. They're a bit large. I have my meat cleaver and my cutting board right here. I'm going to cut these probably about, each of them I'm going to chop them about 2 pieces each, and then I'm going to boil them here. I'm boiling them separate for right now because you know they're salted, so I'm going to change the water maybe about 2 or 3 times. You don't need to see that, so when I come back after changing the water about 2 or 3 times, and I'm going to add them to the pot over here, and then we'll get started on other ingredients. So when I come back, I'll let you see the other ingredients we're going to get ready to get started on. Okay, so I'll see you guys. Hey guys, so welcome back. It's been about an hour. I have changed the water on the pigtails about 4 times, and going to where are my tongs? I don't know. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to transfer them to the pot with the oxtail and the beans and the pumpkin. Just that simple. I haven't needed to add any additional water to that pot yet because I've just been cooking it on medium high. So I just transfer the pigtails to the water with the oxtail, the pumpkin, and the red peas. Turn this off. Okay, I don't know why I paused that, but okay, yeah. So I just transferred it to the pot, and now what I'm going to do, this is a cassava, and I tell you guys all the time, when I make soup or when I boil sweet potatoes, this is the ones I like to use. I don't like the orange or color sweet potato unless I'm baking them or using them in baked goods, because they're really not sweet other than when you bake them in their skin or when you're using them for baking. So I'm going to peel this cassava and I'm going to cut it up small pieces, and I'm going to peel a sweet potato, and I'm going to get some thyme and some green onions and things like that ready, and I'll be back shortly. See you soon. Again, if you recall, it was about an hour that I had the pigtail, and I switched the water about 4 times within that hour, maybe a little on, maybe 15 minutes each time. And then the oxtail and the pumpkin and the red peas were cooking for an hour on medium high. Okay, so I'm going to get the potato and the cassava together, and I'll be back soon. Okay guys, I'm back, and I think I need to move you just a second. Okay, So that's much better. So guys, I have added some more water, and I did also right away when I left the first time I did do about I did dice 2 cloves of garlic that I added in there also. It's been about another 45 minutes since I added the pigtail to the pot and the 2 garlic cloves. Here I have my ground, about a half teaspoon of my ground clove and salt and yeast that I'm adding in there. Let's give this a good stir. Now I'm going to add the potato and the cassava that I've peeled. I added it in water so the potatoes wouldn't turn color. And let's get these in here. Good. Okay. Just stir. I'm gonna add some thyme, and I have a nice thick piece of green onion that I just smashed a little bit. Not chopped up, but smashed a little bit. I'm gonna add in here also. And then I have 2 cups of flour that I made into a dough and just rolled them. I'm gonna add in here. Ouch. Let me stir this. Ouch, just a minute. This thing says stay paused. I don't want it in the background of my thing. Okay, let's do that in case you come back. Let me stir in this. Okay. Alright, I'm going to add, this is not open, a pinch of allspice, probably a half a teaspoon. I'm going to add a pinch of garlic powder, and even though the pigtail was salted, you know, I did cook it and change the water 4 times and then leave all the salt in there, so I may need to add some salt. So this is ground nutmeg. I'm gonna add a half a teaspoon in here. Yes, I definitely need some salt. Okay, and I'm gonna cook this for about another 30 minutes, and then I'll come back and I'll probably make some flour, make sure to thicken it up. Let me cook it for about 30 minutes and I'll see you back then. Oh guys, can't forget the coconut milk. Let me get the coconut milk first. Oops, that would have been a... I do have some homemade coconut milk in here. Let me shake this real good. That would have been a doozy to forget the coconut milk. I just made a nice batch of homemade coconut milk. I have to turn this up because this is cold. Two. Okay. Okay guys, I'll see you back in 30 minutes now. Now I'm gonna say 40 because the coconut milk is cold. I needed some time to bring it back up to a boil. So I'll see you guys in 45 minutes. Okay guys, our 45 minutes is up. Look at this. Oh my god, look at this gloriousness. So here I have about 2 tablespoons of flour with about 2.5 tablespoons of water that I mixed up, that I'm going to pour in here. Oh. And guys, while the 45 minutes was cooking, just to let you know, to be on the safe side, I was stirring ever so often, because you want to stir the bottom, because the kind of food you have going on in here, you could get some burnness at the bottom, and you don't want to mess up your soup with burnt taste and burnt smell. No, not this kind of stuff. You don't want to mess this up with burntness at the bottom, okay? So yes guys, this is what we got going on here. Look, you touch the oxtail, it's falling apart. Oh my god guys, this is just so lovely. So I'm just gonna turn this down. I want to give a little taste and make sure I have enough flavor in here. Oh my god, yes, I'm gonna get ready, and I'm gonna put a bowl together, and then I'm gonna go hang out at my best friend's Alarie's house, and we're gonna watch a movie. She said it's a movie with Sanaa Lathan, and I'm not sure what movie it is. Oh, it does taste like it needs a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit of seasoning salt to this. Just tastes like it needs a little bit of flavoring or something. Add a little bit of seasoning salt. I don't want all that bubbling. Oh. Guys, this just looks so good. Oh God, I really am just so ready to get into this. I really am. I am so ready to just dive into this. Okay, so I'm gonna let this cook together for a few more minutes, and I'll see you guys back then. Okay guys, so ooh, the color is so dirty, right? Oh my goodness. Let me put that in the sink to wash it. So our soup is pretty much done. I don't really have time to eat since I'm going to get ready to go see Alarise and have some girl time. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in this bowl, cool it down. So I can't really, you know, show you guys much, but I'm going to try. I'm trying to just get a piece. Oh, the bowl is hot. This is why my husband is not a big fan of soup. He's like, man, that stuff is too hot, because I don't like my soup cool down. I'm like, what's the point? You know? He's like, I don't know how you do it. My mouth be on fire. He waits for his stuff to get so cold. I'm like, man, that's just crazy. Soup is supposed to be piping hot. So anyway, this is what I got right here. So guys, I hope you enjoy. Trust me, you want to make this. It is so yummy. It's so yummy. I thank you so much for watching. I appreciate the support of my channel. I love you guys. From my kitchen to yours, from my family to yours. This is what I have right here. Let me. God. Yes, Jesus. From my family to yours. God bless. Ooh, you know something I want to tell you. I haven't been doing my inspiration, but this is what I want to tell you guys. You have the right to live the kind of life that you want. Stop letting people tell you what you should and shouldn't do. Live how you choose. You have a right to be happy. Choose happiness and live a happy life, okay? And you don't need things to be happy. Live a happy life on the inside, okay? God bless. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like. And until next time, God bless.